Here are the best foods for nerve damage repair. 1. Salmon. The high omega-3 fat of salmon makes it excellent for treating nerve damage. 2. Broccoli. Many people dislike the taste of broccoli. However, it would be wise to start eating broccoli because it is extremely effective in treating nerve damage. 3. Eggs. Choline, which is used by the body to make acetylcholine, is found in eggs. A team of Boston University researchers found out that daily consumption of eggs would result in sharp memory. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B. 4. Avocado. Avocados have the highest protein to sugar ratio of any fruit. Packed with good fats like omega-3 fatty acids, the sumptuous fruit aids in maintaining the myelin sheath covering nerve fibers. 5. Pumpkin seeds. Magnesium is one of many nutrients that can be gotten by eating pumpkin seeds. A vital nutrient needed for better memory and brain power, low magnesium levels can cause migraines and epilepsy. 6. Celery. Celery is one of the best food for nerve damage repair. 7. Fruits. One fruit a day keeps the damage away. This sums up the active role of fruits in repairing damaged nerves. Fruits like oranges, watermelons, and cherries are loaded with antioxidants. These compounds help eliminate free radicals which damage cells' tissues.